Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram highlights like this. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So if you visited someone's profile on Instagram, you've probably seen that they have what looks like stories on their profile page with some circle icons like this. So these icons are called highlights and are a way for you to make some of your story post a feature on your profile. This can be great for providing useful information for your followers or just for collecting stories into certain categories so you can easily look back on your memories. So let me show you how to create these highlights on your profile page. So first you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. Next you want to tap on your profile photo at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile page. Now just below all your bio and all these buttons, you'll see all the highlights, or if you don't have one, you'll see this icon here, plus new. So to create a new highlight, tap on the plus new. Now you want to go ahead and select the stories you want to include in that highlight. Then tap on next. Now you want to give your highlight a name. You can tap on edit cover to edit the cover of this highlight, or you can choose one from your phone library. Then tap on done at the top right. And now you can tap on add at the top right. This will now create you a new highlight. As you can see, we've created this one here, iPhone tutorial. If you want to view it, just tap on it. And now you'll be able to view your iPhone highlight. So there you go. That is how to create Instagram highlights on Instagram. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.